boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have B Young and King Promise with their song called Rolling Stone. So 2 chords back and forth, very easy. We have 1 string pattern. It's a little bit longer here, but yeah, anyway, you will handle it pretty soon. So let's start with this. No need for any cape on this one. And we have the G major 7 and the D major 7 sus2. So let's start with the G major. That is 3rd on E. Then I usually mute the next string with the finger I'm using on 3rd E. So it's muted like that. And then it's open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So that's the G major 7. And the D major 7, sorry, is like this. So very easy. Open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So just go back and forth with the G major to D major. Alright, so it starts with the G. So let's look at the string pattern with that chord. And 1 round will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. So it's down, down, up, clap, down, and a short break, and then down, down. Then D major. Sounds like this. Yeah, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for G and 2 for D, and you go just like this, back and forth. A couple rounds will sound like this. Okay guys, nice and easy. Good luck with this one. Play tuned.